Okay, welcome to the first in a series of podcasts about ActiveInspire. First thing we're going to look at today is just the new screen layout for ActiveInspire. You'll notice this is the starting layout here, and in the left hand side here you've got these things called browsers. We've got the object browser, the page browser, the resource browser, object browser, notes browser, property browser, actions browser, and voting browser. And these are just new ways of accessing different parts of ActiveInspire, and a lot of the things that we'll do is going to be inside these browsers. You've got a lot of menu items along the top here, and this untitled section is the flip chart that we're working on now. Along the top right here you have this button here. Now this is to change from design mode to presentation mode. When it's orange like this, you're in design mode, and then when it's blue you're in presentation mode. And then we've got our tool store here. ActiveInspire tends to work with profiles, so depending on what you want to do, your tool store will be different depending on what profile you've got. So if we change to, for example, a mathematics profile, you will then have, you can see here, the main mathematics tools. Now what you can do, you can create your own profile as well. To do this, we use the main menu button here, and we choose edit, and then down the bottom we choose profiles. So if we wanted to create our own one, we use one of the ordinary ones that's there as a template. So we'll say the mathematics one, for example, and on the right hand side here is the main toolbox. So these are the tools that we can see here on the right, and on the left hand side is all the possible ones. So let's say I'm going to take out some of these maths ones that I don't want, so I'm going to click on remove, and you can see them removing straight away from the tool store. Okay, but I'm going to put in the magic ink and the text tool, and let's say the clock as well. So you can see here, these are the the three icons that I've added into here, and I need to now save that as a different profile than mathematics. So we choose this one here. When we hover over it, it'll say save profile as, and so I'll save that as my profile name, click save, and now you'll see here down the bottom we've got that profile available to us. Now the main menu button at the top here, you'll notice these menu items are the same as the menu items over here along the top, and they do the same thing. So using the file, this is where we do open and closing of files and saving of files. You can import PowerPoints, you can use smartboard equipment, smartboard files, and so on. And that's the main menu button. So that's the main layout of ActiveInspire. Have a play around, get used to using the browsers, really have a look around the browsers and see what would be used to you. I think you'll find them much easier to use than for certain things than it was in Active Studio. And we'll look at the next podcast, we'll have a look at some other tools that are available to you.